Let me ask you a question. What's one of the most unavoidable things in this life? The answer's numbers. No matter where you look, numbers are everywhere. From the size of the smallest atom to the deepest, darkest, vast depths of space and time, everything is relatable to numbers. So it made logical sense to create a series of routines using just that. And then a 1.
Yes.
Think about what would happen if I got this last digit. It'd prove that if I really wanted to, I could, take your bank card, go to a bank, get into all your private stuff. 4916. How cool is that?
You're very cool, Pete.
Thank you, Tom. So let's talk about a few of the things that you can achieve using this little bad boy. Well, on the front of this, there's a number, and you can influence your participants to think of exactly the number that you want. You can guess a spectator's PIN code safely. You can get a group of people to think of a number and reveal it. You can psychologically force images, playing cards, words, in fact, whatever you want. You can get your spectator to read your mind. In fact, you could even get your spectator to create a version of themselves in an alternative universe and think of a random 4-digit number, and somehow it's on this bank card. You can use this bank card as a divination tool to allow somebody to freely think of a number and then use the card to be able to guess the exact number that they're thinking of. This packs small, it plays big, and I'll tell you what, you don't want to leave home without it.
No!
You gotta
How did I make it, right?
I didn't make you say it, you did it.
Wait.
But look, you can take that out. Please check it, feel it.
No.
090128.
Absolutely.
Oh, wow!
No, let's hand it round now. You didn't do the regular person thing of going for the spade, did you? That's a yes. But that doesn't tell me which one. What were the playing card that you thought of? 3. 3 of spades. You beat me this time, Mark. I wasn't even close. I was bang on.
You see, you feel me now? You feel me now?
I don't.